Most people strive to gain the upper hand in a relationship by expressing more, replying faster, and trying to stay as close as possible. However, psychology tells a different truth. Humans are rarely attracted to things that are easy to get. Those who truly hold the power don't pull the other person toward them. Instead, they use a strategy called dark reverse to make the other person come to them. In today's video, we will explore 3 forbidden psychological mechanisms that stimulate the subconscious and make someone feel an anxious craving for you.
In psychology, there is a concept known as availability bias. Someone who is always available when called and replies within a minute is categorized by the other person's brain as a low-value resource. The first step of dark reverse is to destroy your established patterns. Randomize your contact intervals, and occasionally end a conversation first without a specific reason. The other person's brain will experience a cognitive overload trying to predict your next move, eventually spending all day expending energy thinking about you. Remember, scarcity creates value.
Let's take the mature trait of delayed response processing and give it a dark twist. When someone sends you a message or a question filled with intense emotion, do not react immediately. Psychologically, the speed of your reaction indicates how much you are tied to the other person. Intentional silence plants seeds of psychological anxiety, making them wonder, did I make a mistake? Or is there something more important than me? This anxiety soon transforms into obsession. The moment your reaction becomes a reward, the other person will be desperate to earn it.
The core of dark reverse is mimicking the maturity of a lone wolf. You love them, but you must subtly signal that they are not an absolute requirement for your happiness. When you show that you enjoy your time alone and possess a firm identity that doesn't depend on others, the other person feels a strange sense of exclusion. Humans have an inherent desire to be included in a world that functions perfectly even without them. When you stop clinging to them, that is precisely when they will start clinging to you.
Making someone anxious for you is not about hurting them. It is a technique to protect your own value and shift the center of gravity in the relationship back to yourself. The dark reverse strategies we discussed today are powerful, but dangerous. If you use them solely as tools for manipulation, you risk losing a genuine connection. However, if you use them as a clever shield to protect your worth, you will become more captivating than anyone else. If you're curious about the hidden side of the mind, subscribe now. We go deeper every day. This has been Forbidden Psychology.